Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing the 5 best free video editing software without Watermark in 2025. These programs are completely free to use, packed with features, and perfect whether you're a beginner or a professional editor. Let's get started. First up is OpenShot. OpenShot is an open-source video editor that's simple, clean, and easy to use. It's great for beginners who just want to cut, trim, add transitions, and export videos quickly. Despite being lightweight, it still supports unlimited layers, slow motion, and keyframe animations. Next, we have Shotcut. Shotcut is also free and open source, but it's a little more advanced. It supports a wide range of formats, offers powerful editing tools, and even lets you work with 4K resolution. If you're looking for a step up from beginner tools, Shotcut is a solid choice. Moving on to VSDC Free Video Editor. This one is only for Windows, but it's loaded with features. With VSDC, you get non-linear editing, advanced color correction, visual effects, and motion tracking, all for free. The best part is that it exports videos without any watermark. The fourth on our list is Kdenlive. Another open-source editor, Kdenlive works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It offers multi-track editing, effects, transitions, and proxy editing for smoother performance on slower computers. It's a favorite among creators who want a professional editing feel without paying for software. And finally, we have DaVinci Resolve. This is by far the most professional free editor on the list. DaVinci Resolve is widely used in the film and TV industry, and it includes powerful tools for editing, color grading, audio, and even visual effects, all in one program. The free version is more than enough for most editors, and the best part is it leaves no watermark on your projects. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips and software recommendations.